Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. Luke here with Vista Lawn and Pest. Winter finally arrived here in North Texas. We've got ice and snow and cold weather, and most of you aren't thinking about your lawn at all. But if you are thinking about your lawn, wondering what you need to be doing, what you need to do is be putting down a pre-emergent. Now's the time to get your pre-emergent down, especially after this cold front that came in. We know that weeds are not germinating, weeds are not actively growing. So you want to get down your pre-emergent down before that happens so that you can prevent those weeds from coming up to begin with. So now's the time to do that. If you need recommendations on what to get, go to our YouTube page, go to our Facebook page. We have, if you search there, pre-emergent, we've got videos and stuff posted about what you need to actually buy, what you need to purchase from your local lawn and garden store to get that done. Not a weed and feed, an actual pre-emergent. But time frame wise, now's the time to do it. You got a little bit of time from now to the end of February, even in the beginning of March, but the earlier the better. As soon as you can get ahead of it, you should, if you can get ahead of it. So go ahead and go out and do that. If you need any help with that or have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.